able phrase be good bites so free will make switching work out. Bookshop. I sit here all day waiting for the moment I all see your face and maybe I get a hig so disappointing that it all ended in a daydream. When I think of how lovely my heart always come, I wish I climbed the highest of mountains to tell how it has every been having my life. Around your good night, my heart. Hey love, I've been holding too much in my heartly, and I think it is finally time to let it all out. I miss you. I miss you. Life, us, just haven't felt the same since we draft apart. I keep going through memories, your laugh, your voice, the way you looked at me when everything was okay, and I realize more and more how much you mean to me. We had something real, something raring. I know we had our ups and downs, and maybe I do not always show you how much trial create. Maybe I made mistakes or let pride got in the way of what I would should have been love, patience, understanding. But please believe me when I say that I had times to reflecting and grow. I see things clearly now more than anything. I just want a chance to make things right. I am not writing this pressure. You are you or bring back the past just for the sake of it. I am writing this because I still believe in us. I believe that what we had is worth fighting for. I believe love can heal. And if you willing, I want to start fresh with honestly, with respect, with everything we may have lacked before you still in my heart every day. And if there are even a small part of that still thinks about us too. I hope this message reaches that part. I am here with all my love, waiting no just to bring you back into my life, but to believe something even stronger than before, no matter what you decided. Thank you for all the moment we shared. You shaped a pieces of my souls, and that never change. I wish I had the guts to walk away and forget about that we had, but I cannot because I know you want to come after me. That's what hurts the most. He that finds a wife has found a good thing, but I think it should be he that finds a good woman has found heaven, because that's what you make me feel. My love is pleased to have my phone. My home is pleased to have you in it. Which new day I love you more than the previous days. You complimented me and bring out the best that I got to offer. Having you close to me is the best feeling every. It will cost me nothing to promise you that I will love you forever and every, because you are deserving of that and more. With you in arms and in my heart, there is nothing in the world that I cannot face, and I will do just anything for you. That's the accidented. of my heart for you every day. I promise to spend my entire life making sure you get all the love you deserve. You should have always been given this love, and I will do everything I can to make up from the time you do not get to it all. Wanted to be the persons who fills your day with kindnesses and warmth, who supports you and stands by you no matter what. My joy is to show you how special and valued you are, and to fill your life with the love and care you have always deserves every moment with you.